I just did an oil change on the Grom here. Whoa, okay. What the fuck? Rotella T6, baby. That is man's gift to man. The Rotella T6 10W30. Let me tell you. That shit is fucking... What is that mac and cheese brand? That's like... Their thing used to be liquid gold. That used to be like their whole marketing thing was liquid gold. Rotella T6 is real liquid gold. It's really windy. Hold on. I'm worming. Oh, okay, yeah. You can see that. You can see all the glitter and shit. You can see how it's like flopping and wagging around and shit. Anyway, it's super windy out right now. Let's go back. Wowzers. I think that's the furthest back I've ever gone. If we can get up another slow one. Yeah, I'm practicing on going further back, going deeper into the wheelie. That's my goal, is to do a little coaster. See, like, I can let off the throttle and let engine braking maintain me, but I think that means I'm not far enough back. I think that's what that means. I think that means if I'm not far enough back, if engine braking is enough brake to keep me up. See, like, when I pull the clutch in and I'm letting engine brake do it, I'm too far back. If I pull the clutch in and I'm not engine braking, fall forward, yeah, that's my goal. This session. So, oil change, right? Sorry, got way off topic. I was gonna record a video for the oil change, but then I was like, bro, it's dead ass 3 bolts. Like, the Grom is so easy to do an oil change on. You'd have to be kind of geeked to, like, need a video on how to change this shit. So in all of these wheelies that I've been doing, I've been pulling the clutch in when I get up to what I feel like is pretty close. See, like that one, I just clutch in on that one. My goal is to be able to do it for a longer distance, which maybe more speed is necessary because I don't have... Oh, see, I was clutch in on that one. That was good. That was a good, like, 1 or 2 seconds. I'm trying to figure out where I need to be. Like... See, that was clutch in. My goal, right, is once you learn coasters, once you learn how to, like, do a wheelie, pull the clutch in, and just coast, and then let the clutch back out, and either keep going or, like, smoothly let it down. And then once you can figure out how to introduce clutch and, like, just coast, then you can get to a point where, like, you can pull the clutch in and rev bomb while doing a wheelie. Like, so you can be like redline going like, 4 miles an hour. I don't know if I'll be able to like learn that today. I feel like that's like a multi-day skill, especially since like I did just kind of learn how to maintain my speed in a wheelie like 3 days ago, something like that. I've only just now gotten comfortable having both feet on the pegs, not dragging one. Anyway, fellas, I think I'm gonna do a couple more wheelies off camera. Just keep on practicing. I'm not really yapping about anything important. I'm just kind of yapping, and that's not really like, obviously your scenery's not really changing, and I don't have plans. Oh shit, that was a good one. I don't really have plans on crashing anytime soon, so it's not even like you're really missing out on. It's not like you're even really missing out on crash content or anything. Crash content. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna end the recording here. Like, I'm not really. I'm not really doing anything crazy. I'm just doing wheelies back and forth, just learning, bettering my abilities and shit. Yo. Slowed that one down to 5 miles an hour. That's pretty sick. I think that's probably the slowest I've been with both feet up, which feels pretty good. Tells me I'm learning. Tells me I'm learning. But yeah, I don't know. I appreciate you fellas. I really do. Be safe, have fun in everything that you do, so you can do it again. Grom owning. Signing out. Boo, what the fuck am I saying? Be safe, have fun. I'll see you next time, fellas. Don't ever let me do a fucking log off like that hit. Oh. The chain did not like that one. Yeah, I'll see you fellas.